Welcome, everyone. Today, we're diving into Power BI measures. Think of them as the secret sauce of data analysis. They dynamically update as data changes, making them super flexible. Measures help you spot trends, compare values, and turn raw data into meaningful insights. Without them, analyzing data is like trying to read a novel with missing pages, confusing and incomplete. Hi everyone, I am Catherine Scott, and for over 12 years, I have helped businesses like yours harness the power of ERP systems to unlock their full potential. Today, I want to walk you through how our solution doesn't just meet your needs, it anticipates them. Think of it as your business nervous system, intelligent, responsive, and always working for you. Let's dive into the technical magic behind it because when you understand how it works, you'll see exactly why it's a game changer. So what are measures? Well, imagine a calculator that automatically updates its answer when you tweak the numbers. That's exactly what measures do. They compute values dynamically using DAX formulas. They help us summarize data neatly without clutter. Trust me, once you get the hang of them, you'll wonder how you ever lived without them. Now, why should we care about measures? Well, without them, analyzing data is like doing math in your head, painful and prone to errors. Measures simplify tough calculations, ensure consistency, and help build reports that make sense. They turn raw numbers into business insights, and let's be honest, who doesn't love making data-driven decisions without the headache? All right, let's go treasure hunting. Where do we find these measures? First, check the Fields pane where they are neatly stored. You'll spot them thanks to the handy calculator icon. Then, head over to the Visualizations pane to see their magic unfold. And if you're feeling lazy, use quick measures. They do the heavy lifting for you. Want a shortcut? Quick measures are your best friend. They automate common calculations with minimal effort, perfect for analysts on a deadline. They let you perform useful analytical tasks without getting tangled in complex formulas. If you've ever wished for a magic button to make analysis easier, this is pretty close. For those feeling adventurous, custom measures using DAX let you define your own rules. With DAX, you can build powerful calculations that adapt to filters and slicing. It's like being the architect of your own data analysis. Full control, zero limitations. Just don't get too carried away, or your reports might start looking like a science experiment. Let's talk about report-level measures. These are powerful tools that let you tweak calculations directly in reports. No need to mess with the underlying dataset. Think of them like on-the-fly formulas that give you more flexibility. They're great for customizing views and making reports more dynamic. But beware, too many of these might slow things down. So knowing when to use them smartly is key. Now, if you're tired of hunting for measures like a detective, Tabular Editor is your best friend. It lays them all out for you, making it easy to tweak, review, and optimize. No more clicking through endless menus, just open it and edit away. The best part, you can validate DAX expressions on the spot, so no more trial and error frustrations. Ever felt lost in a sea of measures? Organizing them in measure tables is like tidying up your workspace. It keeps things neat and accessible. This makes collaboration smoother because everyone knows where to find key calculations. Plus, it prevents confusion, so you won't have to play "Where's my measure?" every time you open a report. Good measure management is like keeping your inbox organized. Without it, things get messy fast. Clear names ensure your future self and your team can actually understand what each measure does. Efficiency keeps reports running smoothly, and regular reviews prevent unnecessary calculations from slowing things down. And yes, document everything because mystery measures are no fun. Let's talk mistakes because we've all been there. Adding too many measures can turn reports into sluggish beasts. Inefficient DAX. That's a recipe for frustration. Always validate your results to avoid unexpected surprises. And don't skip documentation. Because explaining messy calculations later is like trying to remember a password you set 5 years ago. Want to level up your measure games? Optimization is the secret sauce. Variables help keep DAX formulas efficient. Smart aggregations mean calculations run faster. Row-by-row calculations. Avoid them if you can, your reports will thank you. And always refactor your measures so they're easy to understand, because confusing code is a nightmare. Wrapping it up, measures are the backbone of great reports. Organized, optimized, and well-documented measures make data storytelling effortless. Mastering DAX speeds up reporting, and structuring calculations well ensures insights come through clearly. And of course, keep learning, because the better your measures, the more powerful your reports. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.